Ndị be anyị ekene m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị si na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasata maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo Media. Dịka isi wee na-esole anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo Media, kabaru ka i subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị lapụ miss any of our update dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasata maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasata maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ ihe BIAFRA Chief of Staff bụ Ngozi Orabueze kwuru n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasata maka ka o si ada na Finland and gbasata maka Biafran Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa. So igecha ya bụ ife idropụra ife iche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasata maka ihe bụ ife ndị a niile okwu. Alright, over to you.
Number 2, all these questions they are asking, this one is not a question, but all these questions they are asking have been answered by Onion, answered by PM, answered by DPM. Why are they drawing us back instead of bringing positive words forward? Where are we lacking? What I'm expecting from next time, from tomorrow, is who we call DPM. What do you need from me so that this Biafra will come today? Whoever asks that question, let the person supply whatever he needs to supply so that this thing will quicken. Let us not draw this cabinet back. Shalom with Chineke ndewo.
Ndewo. Tony, biko kanjogi. Ogima for admin ndị Ọhabenyi.
Yes, mommy.
Because the name I have here is Mazi Bonaventure Amechi.
Oh, one carry the ha.
Otego over there, a commissioner from your state, and it has not happened. I'm putting it on you.
Did you say you gave a commissioner from the state?
Yes. No. From Ohabenya, I've been calling them. And
you have to you have to talk with Tony, the person that is here. And then again, everyone, when you are talking with any administrator in Homeland, please confirm that first before you proceed to ensure that you're not talking to these criminals that are pretending to be following and working for the United States of Biafra government, please.
So, Tony, can you give me your number, please?
You can take your number and
give me your number so that I will chat you up.
Okay, +254 785 78524
Yes.
7700
+254 7824 77.
No, +254 is the code.
Okay.
785 24 7700.
Okay.
Ken, what's the last four of your phone number?
My own. 8131. The one I used to use WhatsApp, and I have the one 1344.
Did you get the appointment letter?
No, ma. I told you, should I forward my email address or how do I go about with it?
No, just send me a text. Let me see, because we have a couple of you in that state doing a great job. Just send me a text.
Okay.
Right, thank you. Let's go ahead.
Okay.
Okay, next person is Mazi Drake. Are you there? Mazi Drake NK. Mazi Drake. Okay, maybe he has slept. Okay, Mazi David Waha. David Waha. Okay.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes. Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. All protocols observed. I appreciate everything you guys are doing to in fighting for my freedom. My question first is with regards to Department of Agriculture. I would like to contribute a little I know about, although I'm not practically, I know much, which will help our people. I would like to get whom to talk to, or who can call me so that I can render my service. Then my question.
Dr. Ferdinand, are you here? Go ahead.
No, he's not.
Go ahead.
My question with regards to my ID card. I'm supposed to get my ID card when we were in Finland. It was approved and it is still approved. I have complained before. I have not received any information about it. If you go to the website, it's still approved. So I would like to know what at least the situation. If you want, I can give you the number of my card.
Is Dr. Dorothy here? Dr. Dorothy is not here, so that's the person in charge of the ID card. So you can send a text to that department.
I'm here live and direct.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry. I thought you were taking a nap.
Goodness. So he was asking of his ID. We have one that has gone for printing right now. So, like I said earlier on, if you have received an email indicating that your application has been approved, in quotes, approved, then know that your ID has gone for printing. Then if you have not received any email regarding and not short of not being approved, please, and again, kindly go back to your applications, check the application and see what you have not done right and do it right, and automatically you will get approved on your application. I'm talking about the old form, but for the new form, the same thing, check back again, make sure your address is there, your right passport photo 2x2 is there, and also when you are uploading any, okay, there's no uploading of ID, but if you had the opportunity of uploading ID, make sure your make sure your passport picture is attached to your certificate. The same thing with the older form, because many people undocumented applicants have just sent in their certificates, maybe something like birth certificates and other identification documents without including their passport photo. So please, we oblige you to kindly go back, pick up those documents, attach your passport photo. So when we are checking your passport photo at the end of it, we'll be able to coincide and make sure that the two certificate passport photo on the certificate and the ordinary passport you uploaded at the end is the same thing.
Dr. Dorothy, please, I would like to give you my number because I have sent email, I have called several times. I just want somebody to confirm that because has been approved before I would say the first day it was announced. That was the day I
Okay,
paid
go
for my
ahead and give the number. She will check it later and call you, please. Just do that now. So she can
the
give
number
the
is BSA 49325.
You know what? Because I can't carry that on my head now. There is an email here. Please, can you just email us with that?
Please, if you can take the number, I have been emailing, I have been calling.
Okay, go ahead with the number.
There's no way you have been
ahead.
emailing without us sending your reply to your email. It's not possible. So let me get the name. Let me get the number.
Number is BSA 49325.
1 second. 493.
Yes, 25.
And what's the name?
David Nwaha. David Nwabeze Uche Nwaha.
What's your email?
What's your phone number?
My phone number is 815-847-0343.
Can I have your email better, please? Because I've been pulling my
email is LOCI Quest. That's QUEST. QUEST Quest. That's 2001 at yahoo.com.
2001. Okay.
On the website, it's still approved.
Then it has gone for printing then.
No, I just want somebody to confirm because I've been calling. Just check it. Let me know.
She will get back to you, please. Can we move on?
Okay.
Stop writing this thing you're writing on the defense.
Should I go on?
I don't know what he means by that, please. Oh my goodness. Please, let's go. Let's move on.
Okay.
You have to worship it by being naked.
Okay.
David, somebody's gonna get back to you, please. Let's move on. Thank you. We don't have to go there for this.
Okay, the next person is Mazi Nnaji Stanley Onyeka. Are you there? Mazi Nnaji Onyeka, are you here? He just left. Okay. Mazi Drake, are you awake? Mr. X. Drake. Oh, I think he's sleeping. Next person is Christy.
There one.
There one.
Can you hear me? Okay. Good evening.
No, Mazi Nnaji.
Go ahead. Stanley, go ahead.
Okay. Good evening, BIAFRANs.
Okay.
Just want to thank you, Madam Ngozi Rabeze, for your good work. And I say may Chukwu keep on protecting you and the whole cabinet member that is working with you. I just want to use the opportunity and to clear something to our people, because on can be hand because in case our leader NNAMDI Kanu, I could remember that PM said that we can't take instruction from someone that is in prison. So them saying that coming together and coming out saying that this person you bring information to this one. Normally they should also trace back and remember what PM said during Mazi NNAMDI Kanu's case as well. So we can't take any information from someone that they are holding. So that is number one. Number two is that saying that our madam took just hijacked power. I believe that I don't think there is any other power that is higher than the COS that she's handling before. So with that power alone, she can take over from PM. So I just really want to use the opportunity and say that we should keep on supporting this government. That if you are with your right spirit, the spirit of Biafra is in you. You would have fact in your normal dream, you will see something that is happening. Because I myself, God revealed something to me in a way, because when the whole thing was happening, then I was kind of confused. I was like, okay, what's happening? I said, okay, let me watch out. In my dream, God showed me that He showed me a lady. It was in that dream. It was a small girl. I PM, and it was on call, making call. Then I went to him. He just pointed the small girl that I should follow the small girl. And immediately I turned, and I was the one in front, but later the girl came and the front, and I was following the girl, and many people were there, was just making noise. And I said that they should keep quiet. That is some look at the person that directed me, and everybody kept quiet, and me and the girl left. So already with that alone, I'm satisfied. That's why I can't deviate from this place. So I just say, Mechiko came and keep on setting and encourage you guys to what you have to work good doing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Next person, Mazi Drake. Okay, he's sleeping. Mazi Douglas.
No.
Oh, okay, go ahead. I forgot about that.
Biafra Suquin. My DPM.
Yes.
Okay. My DPM, I salute.
Yeah.
I was watching on the YouTube, but when I heard that your name is Nkechi, I had to jump in to say, kudos. Because for those of us called Nkechi, and I got one ago. Yeah. Whatever you give to us, be sure that it's going to be like you gave it to us. And we have to make sure it is good when you come back. Then when I heard that, when I discovered that you were born in March, I said, this is a bulldozer. So, point of correction, because I won't have no go Biafra. I want to go Biafra. We are very, very well. On ground. That's why they are falling back. What you call your dog is what your dog is going to answer. We are now a nation, and because we're a nation, our army are going to be Biafran armies. No more men on the ground. Because when you call the men on the ground, they tend to fall down. And we don't want that. Then I've been hearing passport. I'm not to be able to visa. We need I need a Biafra visa. And I could remember when PM was around, he said something about the voting evidence, that you have to keep it. I want to know if the ID department are following that direction, that you have to upload your evidence of voting, that you're a Biafran, for you to get your ID. Then on that of passport, I remember PM said, keep your receipt that you used to donate in this government. Because during the passport time, you have to show the evidence that you supported. Because then with the grade 1 Biafrans, when grade 2, when they Dioka Biafrans. But when they do ni compose. No to adadi or amma. So another advice I want to give Biafrans is this. Please. How can somebody be a prime minister and acting prime minister at the same time financial secretary? That's rubbish. That's absolutely rubbish. Football field, not jump up and down. Come on now. Who does that? Please, this is a nation. And please, DPM, because the bill of Ndine Queen na media. I can pass the bill one. nonsense. Because we need to get them, use them, and set an example in this beautiful government, beautiful nation that we have. It's not a nation who rob that's rubbish. It's never done. Sanity must have to take its place in this government. God bless you people. ID department, I am asking you this question. I hope you're keeping to that regulation. Our PM said, BIAFRA before I get ID.
Oh, definitely.
Your contribution before I get this thing. Then another question for the immigration department. I've never heard you people talk about that and the visa. Because if you have not done that, start looking into it because that will give us money.
Where do you want to migrate now? You're already in diaspora. So when we get home, then you start looking for where to migrate. Of course, nobody's going to leave our Biafra land to start going elsewhere.
No, people are going to come in. So how do you
saying we are ready for them.
Okay.
Just contribute and let's go.
Money, not the money go get it. Money.
Trust me. Thank you so much. Next person. Thank you.
Okay. Sister Christy, are you calling from which state?
Hello?
Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah, Sister Christy, which state are you calling from?
I'm calling from United States of America.
What state in United States of
Texas.
America?
Texas.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. You belong to our group?
Of course.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I just wanted to make sure.
Of course. My admin, they will study.
All right. All
I
right.
have some intel, some ideas, but I give
Okay. No. I just want to catch you. That's what I'm trying to say. So I know how to do it. All right. Thank you.
My dear, God bless you all.
Thank
God
you
bless
too.
you.
Thank you. Okay.
God bless you, Mama.
All right. Thank you.
You gave me the link to come in.
Thank you.
All right. Mazi Douglas.
Sorry, ma. It's Nigeria that speak. That just spoke.
You
now.
have no. You have spoken before. You've
I
spoken.
know. I just want to get something. I send my number to someone that they should help me and connect with my state, but I've not gotten any answer on that. So I don't know if there's anybody.
And which state is that?
So I'm from East Jersey. I think it should be in Aludo State.
Aludo.
Allow something to say.
Okay. So can you send a text to me?
Isuzo is Enugu State. It's under Enugu State, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Adeza, can you help him then? You are in the WhatsApp for the group. That's what he's asking about.
Okay, he can send his number. Let me get his number now.
Okay.
Okay, should I get the number?
No. Adeza, say yours, please. He's in
I'm in Homeland, please. I'm in Homeland.
Oh, Adeza, are you in Homeland?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, send to me. Mazi, send to me. Okay.
That's forwarded to.
Wadaloli neno from Igbo media boy by siwele utenu nyabuzi dio kempa basta back yene na Nigeria and yene mene be di chiche na Eastern region and ono no kosi adana Finland and Biafran Prime Minister KC Jidia the update and yabo Biafran declaration came in Finland so yene na kaya aine utelu niru akwukwo kifi wole ku basta maka yabo iye chief of staff gasi niru akwukwo yene boro gasi aka and the new development on Biafra of United States of Biafra so ya bi fe kai sikai tiedo no kono kwa ifunche no den kono basta